This is Ian, author of Twitter in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to answer a question from a reader concerning location information on your Twitter profile. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. And actually, this question just came in on my YouTube channel. And I had a video a couple years ago that said 3 ways to hide your location in Twitter for better Twitter privacy. And this was really talking about the tweets themselves. What this person noticed was like, we can still see you're located in Massachusetts when you scroll down your profile page. I was wondering if you know how to get rid of that. Is there any way to get rid of that location info to begin with? So what the person's talking about, here's the video. You can see on this particular profile page, it says Massachusetts. And actually, here's the profile page itself for this particular account. You can see it says Massachusetts. Now, it's important to note that this information about Massachusetts, about the location for the profile itself, this is what I put down when I first created this account like 15 years ago. When you're creating an account, it asks where you're located, and you can basically put in anything you want. I typed in Massachusetts. If you want to get rid of this Massachusetts for the location or change it to something else, here's how you do it. Click on Edit Profile from your main account. This is the desktop browser version of Twitter. This particular pop-up will come here, and you can see the third field is Massachusetts. You can just delete that if you want and save, and you can see it's gone. The other thing you can do is change it to something else. So I can just say Earth, solar system. You can even put in like a made-up name. I've seen people do things like, Hogwarts or some kind of made-up imaginary universe, like, MCU or Star Wars universe or whatever. But what you can do is just call it anything that you want, really, if you want to really kind of hide where you're coming from. And it's perfectly okay to do that. You can also put in another country. Like I'm in the United States. If I want to, I could put in Canada, for instance. But that's how you do it. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Also, if you go to in30minutes.com, you can see my book, Twitter in 30 Minutes. It basically contains a lot of information about getting started with Twitter and how to tweet effectively and how to get more out of it. And that's all I have to say today. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I hope to see you next time.